Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Gender, School and Society. It's a B.Ed Punjab University semester 4 book and it's in Punjabi medium. As you can see, it's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm. So let's review this book. So let's start with the syllabus. Syllabus is that it's a new syllabus as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh. Let's check the units. First of all, unit 1 is given, key concepts in gender, then topics, then unit 2 school and gender education, then topics, then unit 3 gender and society, then topics, then unit 4 gender issues, and then their topics. So now contents are also mentioned. Now we can check the contents and verify the contents with the syllabus whether it's the same or not. So contents, unit 1 key concepts in gender, conceptual information, sex and gender, gender biases, gender inequality, then concepts of patriarchy, masculinity. You can verify it with syllabus. Yes, syllabus has everything. Conceptual foundation, concepts of patriarchy, everything is completely there. Now you can check another topic also. For example, in unit 2 gender biases, schooling of girls, in syllabus also this is same, unit 2 gender biases, schooling of girls. Now you can check in contents in unit 3 also, gender and society, gender identity, role of education. You can check in syllabus, unit 3 role of education, gender identity. Now you can come to unit 4 of contents and finally check the last thing, gender equity policy initiative, and in syllabus also same thing is there, gender equity policy initiatives. So everything which was there in syllabus, it's totally there in contents, no doubt about that. Now we have to check whether the page numbers which are given in front of the topics of contents, whether these page numbers are accurate or not. For example, whether a particular thing given in that page number, the page number is given in front of contents, whether if I go to that page number I'll find it or not. So let's check. For example, this 22 to 41, we have to check whether gender bias in schooling is there or not at 22 page. Let's check on 22 page whether it's there or not. So yes, 22 page, page number 22, and gender biases topic is completely given. So yes, things are given, and we can also check one more thing, one more topic we can also check. For example, in semester 4 gender equity and equality in India, page 116, it's given or not. So let's go to page 116 and check. So yes, page number 116, gender equity is completely given, and it should be given till page 119, and yes, till page 119 this topic is given. So yes, page numbers are also mentioned. Contents cover everything of the syllabus, and the page numbers are also mentioned very well. And if you can go to any particular page of that topic, you will find it in there. And the last book of the page have other also books, and the back side of the book other books you can also buy. So regarding this book is just for rupees 149.50 rupees only, which is very less. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy online, or you can also call them directly at 9218219218, and the book will be delivered to your location in 3-4 days time only. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. Helpline number is also given, which is helpline email ID is help@vinodpublications.com. If you have any complaint regarding this book, you can go to the helpline number and mail them. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube, and also you can go to www.vinodpublications.com and check other books of Vinod Publications. I think it's a highly recommendable book from my side. You should definitely buy this book. 149.50 is a very reasonable price for this book. Buy it online, or you can even buy it at any available bookstore nearby your location. At any bookstore which has B.Ed books will definitely have these books at rupees 149.50 rupees only. So Gender, School and Society is a must recommendable book from my side. Should definitely buy this book. Best book and highly recommendable. Thank you.